Welcome back to Quiz Bam. Can you guess the fast food restaurant by emoji? Let's get started. Ready for the first question? Here it is. Guess the fast food restaurant by emoji. McDonald's. Impressive start. Determine the fast food place based on these emojis. Taco Bell. Great job. What's your answer to this question? Starbucks. It's a popular fast food chain. Don't miss out on this opportunity to score big. Guess now. Burger King. Well done. What do these emojis stand for? Pizza Hut. So yummy. Can you pick out the genuine logo? B is the real logo with the green color. Nice eye. Try to figure out this famous fast food restaurant. Shake Shack, and their most famous meal is the Shack Burger. Quickly guess the fast food restaurant. Amazing. You got that right. It's Five Guys. Take a wild guess. Which restaurant is this? You nailed it. It's KFC. Let's see how fast you can guess this one. Yes, that's Wendy's. Think fast. What's the name of this fast food chain? Great work. It's Domino's Pizza. What do you think this is? Make your guess. Spot on. It's Panda Express. Here's another one. Can you figure it out? That's correct. It's Applebee's. This one might be tricky. Take your best guess. Yes, it's Popeyes. This logo looks familiar. Do you know it? Well done. It's Marco's restaurant. Guess the fast food place before time runs out. That's right, it's Steak and Shake. You got this. Name this fast food spot. Nice job. It's In-N-Out Burger. Think carefully. What fast food place is this? You got it. Red Lobster. Can you name this famous restaurant? Yes, it's Arby's. Pay attention. Watch the emoji positions carefully.
And then, can you say the position of the taco?
Great memory. The taco is in position 4. This is a popular one. What's your guess? You got it. It's Waffle House. Here's another fun one. Guess the restaurant. Correct. It's Chipotle. Quick, figure out the answer before time runs out. That's right, it's Church's Chicken. A classic spot. Do you know this one? Yes, it's Dairy Queen. Think fast. What fast food place is this? Well done. It's Dunkin' Donuts. Let's keep the streak going. Guess this restaurant. Correct. It's White Castle. Do you recognize this one? Guess now. You got it. It's Hardee's. This one's easy. Or is it? Guess the fast food place. That's right, it's Tim Hortons. Let's see how sharp you are. Name this restaurant. Correct. It's Sweet Frog. Focus. Can you find a candy among these emojis? Amazing. It's in position 3. Take a guess at this one. Yes, it's Buffalo Wild Wings.
Guess the restaurant amazing. Del Taco. This taco in here so lovingly folded juicy morsels of flavor. Take this opportunity to boost your ranking. Olive Garden. Firehouse Subs. You're truly brilliant. Which restaurant is famous for this particular signature? This restaurant is famous for White Castle sliders. So yummy! How about this one? Perfectly guessed! Smoothie King! This is your time to shine. Earn those points. Krispy Kreme. What restaurant comes to mind with this one? Little Caesars, you're right. Is this question challenging for you? Spot on, Nando's. Time for a fun challenge. See if you can spot the correct logo. Wow! The correct answer is C. Try to guess this restaurant. Bingo! Checkers! Can you tell which restaurant this might be? Raising Cane's. Take a shot. What restaurant is this? Tropical Smoothie Cafe. You will enjoy delicious tropical fruit dishes here. Would you rather Raising Cane's or Checkers? All right, it's decision time. So feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Are you stuck on this question? Exactly, Baskin-Robbins. What's the brand here? Nailed it! Auntie Anne's. Look for the emoji that doesn't have a duplicate. Bingo! This is the right answer! Mr. Beast Burger. Have a go at guessing this restaurant. Wingstop. Which fast food place do these emojis hint at? Carl's Jr., you're doing amazing! Do you have any ideas? Whataburger! Time to play detective. Locate the emoji that's different. The odd burger emoji can be seen in row 4. Next question. Sonic Drive-In. You've got a sharp mind. Correct guess. This is Arby's. Watch the positions and remember each emoji spot. Do you remember the positions of all the emojis? And then, can you say the position of the taco? Yeah, the taco can be found in position 4. The final question is here. Guess the fast food restaurant by emoji. Do you know which fast food restaurant this is? We're eager to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to comment and let us know your decision.
Thank you for joining us in today's challenge. Share your results with everyone in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any upcoming challenges. We hope you had a great time, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!